Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test. We're on the Number Theory and Abstract Algebra chapter, and this is our third question. So this question is a little bit tricky, but it's not so bad. It says, let x1 and x2 be the two smallest positive integers for which the following statement is true. 85x minus 12 is a multiple of 19. And then we're asked what the sum of x1 and x2 is. Well, if you rewrite this as an equation, you get 85x minus 12. And what does that mean as a multiple of 19? Well, it means that it's equal to 19 times some integer y. Well, this looks a lot like a Diophantine equation, and actually if we bring the 19y over to the left side, we'll have 85x minus 19y equals a positive 12. And this is a Diophantine equation. And so remember that the way to solve this is, first of all, to find the greatest common divisor of 85 and 19. So we're going to use the Euclidean algorithm to write 85 is equal to 19 times some integer plus a remainder. Well, how many times does 19 go into 85? I think 4. Let's see, 4 times 19, well, 4 times 20 is 80, and subtract 4, that's 76. So 76, and you need to add a remainder of 9 to get 85. 19 times 4, plus 9. All right, now we're going to write 19 as 9 times some number plus a remainder. Well, how many times does, alright, this is supposed to be a 9. 9, that's this 9. 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18, plus a remainder of 1. Well, once we get to 1, we know that 1 is the greatest common divisor. So now we can use this backwards to write the solution to the equation 85x minus 19y equals 1, which from that we can find the solution to 85x minus 19y equals 12. Alright, let's bring this over here. We can write 1 is equal to 19 minus 9 times 2. And then we'll use this equation to replace 9 with 85 minus 19 times 4. So 1 is equal to 19 minus, instead of 9, we're going to write 85 minus 19 times 4. Okay, and all of that is going to get multiplied by 2. Well, let's gather up our 19s and our 85s and see what we get. We have 119 here, and we have 4 times 2 is 8, negative and negative makes a positive, so that's plus 8. So we'll have 9 times 19 minus 2 times 85. Okay, so this is part of, we're halfway to the solution. So our original equation, though, it doesn't have a 1 on the right side, it has a 12. So to get from here to here, we're going to need to multiply by 12. So 12 is equal to 9 times 12, that's 108, times 19. 2 times 12 is 24 times 85. Okay, so this is one possible solution, and where x is negative 24. But as you can see, they're asking us for the two smallest positive integers. In other words, negative 24 is not going to work because it's negative. So what do we have to do to make it positive? Well, remember that in order to find more solutions, you can take your x and y, in this case negative 24 and 108, and to x we can add multiples of 19 as long as to our y we subtract the same multiple of 85. That way we'll just be adding 19 times 85 and subtracting 19 times 85, and that's like adding 0. So that the answer will still be 12. Well, if this is all our possible x's, then let's see, I think if we add 19, we'll still have a negative number. So we need to add 2 times 19 and 3 times 19 to get the two smallest positive values of x. So let's say x1 is equal to negative 24 plus 19 times 2, which is 38. That's positive 14. And x2 is going to be 14, like x1, plus another 19, which is equal to 14, 24, 34, 33. And then if we add these two up, that's what the problem is asking us for, to get their sum, then we get 47, which is answer E.